Oh.
Okay, so I'm Sophie. Today I'm unboxing my Marks and Spencer's advent calendar. So I'm trying not to eat a lot of like chocolates and cakes and stuff that's Christmas and alcohol because of all the calories, and I'm trying to lose weight. So I've got this, which comes as a box, and you can reuse this box for something else. It's got a drawer as well. So I'll just show you. I'm going to open each box and then I'm going to put everything back into the boxes and open one thing per day. So I'll show you what I've got. It's got quite a nice mirrored front to it there, and each thing's got a different shaped box like that. So number one, I had actually already opened this to see what it was, and it's Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream from Ren. So that's quite a good make, and it is actually something I need because I need decent skincare. I'm actually going to keep that one out. Okay, then it's a bit of a challenge because there's no number 2. So then I'm going to open the bottom part like that to get to number 2. So you can see how you could use this to keep jewellery in, or beauty products, keep it, recycle it all. So number two, oh, frothy face wash. So that's just a small bottle, but that would be a handy size for your holidays. So that's the frothy face wash. It's a good travel size. Yeah. Just different type of writing. Well, it hasn't got the number on it. And this, oh, that's quite nice. It's nail polish. It's actually quite a nice colour. A good purpley colour. And the make is Kensington High Street. That's what it says. Is that the colour? Okay, it's a good one. Right, number 4. What have we got? Number 4. Oh, that's quite good. So this is Philip Kingsley shampoo. And I actually got this, I think the last time I got a Marks and Spencer's advent calendar. This is number 5. So I'm opening everything today and I'm going to put it all back in again. Number 5 is perfume. Black Tulip Natural Spray Fragrance. Oh, that's quite nice. It's a little bottle of perfume, which would be a good size to keep in your handbag. So I like that. Put that one back in. Number 6. Oh, number 6 is quite big. But what I like is that they're not really tiny products. They're all actually a decent size. Oh, there's another one of the Philip Kingsley. So that is the weightless conditioner, which goes with the shampoo I opened a minute ago. Number 7. Here we go. Firming powdery cream from Nukes. So they're all quite good makes.
Okay,
8. Number 8. Here we go. And this is Lumaine Nordic Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream. So it's a skincare for your face. Okay, got number 9. And in number 9, oh, actually I've already got one of these. It's really handy. So that's Marks and Spencer's brand lipstick. Number 10, here we are, is Philip Kingsley Deep Conditioning Treatment. This one would be good for me because my hair is coloured, so it always needs a bit of extra treatment. It gets dry. 10. So number 11.
Go.
I've can't even see these things. Here's number 11, this one. And it is, oh, it's Clinique moisturizer. So that's quite good. It's quite a good size actually. It'd be enough for about a 2-week holiday. Like that. Next, that was 11. Next is 12, which I can't. 12 is all wrapped up. Oh, that's really nice. This body wash, Meditate Apothecary. So that's a really good product. I would use that.
Yep.
I haven't opened anything yet which I wouldn't use, which is what people always complain about these advent calendars, getting products they won't use. So that was 12. Now 13 is this one. Oh, that's good. La Occitane, so that's a really expensive brand. Dry Skin Hand Cream.
Okay, go.
This is 14. Oh, it's quite a big box. It's a hair product, I believe. Oh, so it's a volumizing mousse. Percy and Reed. So that looks good. Next up, 15 I'm looking for. 15. It's big box. That's a pencil, eyeliner pencil. So that's useful. I would use that. I do use black eyeliner. Next, 16 is In Transit Camera Close-Up. A mask, moisturiser and primer in one. Well, this works. Never heard of that product before.
Hmm.
17.
Yep.
Oh, there's another box. Oh, that's quite nice. That's another perfume. So it's Warm Neroli. Looks good. So 18. There we go. And it's a nail polish. It's in a sort of bronze colour. Might be quite fun in summer. 19 is Eye Tight Uplift Serum. That's quite useful. It does all seem to be a lot of skincare, which is quite expensive, so it's well worth it. 20 is Perfect Hair Day. So that's a dry shampoo, and that's actually really handy if you like often your fringe is just looking a bit greasy. 21 it's Emma Hardy, and it's revitalizing cream.
Go.
Right. 22 is Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. There you go. And 23 Fragrance Society Hand and Nail Cream. That looks quite nice. $24. Oh, that's useful. Lip protection. It's an SPF 30. So you can use that for the summer. 25, Christmas Day. What are you going to get? Clinique mascara. So as you can see, they're all good brands. Comes in a reusable box. It does cost £40, which does sound like quite a lot, but you can see you get a lot. It is worth, each product or altogether is valued at £300, and you have to spend £30 first. So I bought socks and underwear, all quite sensible things which I needed, and some presents, and then spent £40 on this box. But you can see you do get a lot of skincare. So there's nothing in there which will be wasted. So I would recommend this if you need a treat for yourself or an early Christmas present for somebody else. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe. More videos coming soon. Thanks, bye.
Bye.